Hi guys, and welcome to SmartPhotographyReviews channel. Today we're gonna show you one interesting little product. It's this product. As you can see on the box, it's Joby UltraFit Sling Strap. In one of our previous episodes we have showed you another Joby strap that is three-way camera strap, which is also interesting alternative to manufacturer's straps. As you know, manufacturer straps, whether it's Nikon, Canon, Pentax, doesn't matter, are always very stiff and very uncomfortable to wear. They can bruise your neck, and especially if you have a lot of camera loads on the strap. So alternative straps is something you should really consider if you want to facilitate the usage of your camera equipment. Let's see this box from different sides so you can get a notion about this camera strap. You have two variants. One is for men and the other is for women, so different size. Let's unbox this product. As you can see in the box we have some instructions and papers from Joby, and here is the camera strap. As you can see, it has a mounting screw up here, which is the same thread as the screw for quick release plates for mounting your camera on the tripod. You have a little rubberized part up here to protect your camera from scratching when you screw and tighten this screw on your camera or battery grip. As you can see, here is a butterfly screw that facilitates the screwing onto your camera. Now let's see how it looks like on our Nikon D500 with a grip attached. We will screw and tighten this strap here. As you can see, it has a part that rotates so it doesn't dangle on your shoulders. And let's see how it fits. Now I will put it on the left side of my body and I will stand up to show you how the camera looks like when it's on the strap. As you can see, it is upside down, which is not a problem because it lies very comfortably and securely with the back of the camera to your hip or to your waist. As you can see, you can of course adjust the length of the strap here and here, but as it came, it's well enough balanced and the camera goes right where it should. When you want to take some pictures, you just slide your camera around your shoulders and you are ready to take some excellent pictures. So this product is very interesting. It can really facilitate the usage of your camera and equipment, and we can really recommend it to you. The price is neither high neither low. For the things it does, it's well justified. So it's around 30 or 35 US dollars or euros, depending on the market you buy it from. So if you don't want to carry that ugly, stiff manufacturer's straps that you get with your cameras that have letters that indicate from the distance what camera are you using so everybody knows, it's a bit not so great option for me, so I choose alternative straps. When you consider other options like Peak Design camera sling strap, which are far more expensive than this one, then this Joby should be a perfect fit for your camera. Thank you very much for being with us these several minutes. Please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification button in order to be notified about all of our future uploads as well as soon as they hit online. Until next time, we say bye bye.